But we start tonight with the big national news. A New York jury finds former President Donald Trump guilty of 34 felony charges of falsifying business records related to hush money payments before the 2016 election. The 12-person jury in Manhattan finds the former commander-in-chief not only illegally falsified business records, but did so in order to illegally hide damaging information about him that could have hurt his 2016 presidential chances. With this verdict, Trump could face prison time, though we won't know how much, if any, for several months. Well, we're hearing from Donald Trump after he's been convicted of all 34 counts against him in the New York hush money trial.
This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people. Reporters in the courtroom say Trump just stared at the jurors as the verdict was read. An appeal is expected. Sentencing has been set for July 11th. Well, you might be wondering, can Donald Trump still run for president if he's a convicted felon? The answer is yes. There are no limitations for presidential candidates based on criminal record. Some states prohibit felons from running for state and local office, but that doesn't apply to federal offices. Yet the former president could be in the unprecedented situation of being deemed fit to vote for, but unfit to vote. Florida doesn't allow convicted felons to vote. And how the verdict will impact the presidential election this November remains to be seen, but most voters say it won't change their minds. According to a new NPR PBS NewsHour Marist poll, 67% of registered voters say a guilty verdict doesn't make any difference in their vote. 76% say the same about a not guilty verdict. Well, the verdict in this hush money case marks just one criminal trial the former president faces. Donald Trump is charged with scheming to overturn the 2020 election in Georgia. That hasn't been scheduled. He also faces federal charges for the same thing, and that trial has been delayed. Trump faces federal charges for allegedly hoarding classified documents after he left the White House. That trial is delayed indefinitely. This trial could be the only one to go to trial before the election in November. And we'll have more on today's verdicts and the reaction later in the newscast.